Welcome to another episode of Box TV Culture Battles Part 6. Today in the house we got Rap-A-Lot, we got War Professor, we got a BB, we even have African Abdul. I don't know why so many people here today, but I guess it's going down. I don't care. Remember, today, you're gonna hear some disrespect and some punchlines. You the fans, you decide who the winner. Rap-A-Lot decided to go first, so go!
Yo, I heard this nigga broke. Is it true, fams? Yeah, I saw your bitch ass downtown getting food stamps. Turtle ass nigga, I put a slug in your gram. Sit down, cause you ain't never stood a chance. You act like Jamaican mafia, I'm a real shotter. Fuck about you, nigga, suck your mother. Curry goat, nigga, get the fuck out my country before I get crossed with a hammer and hit you like Bounty.
I War Professor, go!
Booty mode. Them lyrics here got hurt your body. Flip me cock in your mom, yeah? And jerk your mother. Smash your girl too, I got a story to tell. So much gunshot left him too holy for hell. Yo, for murder Mr. Batimo, time to start. Not even extra pussy can find me hard. You taking the piece, your whole fucking madness. Left your mama and your whole fucking family in a sadness.
Rap-A-Lot, I already fucked your auntie. In Africa, your bitches wear leaf for panty. Word in my words, I got paid to spray. Kill the whole alphabet except from A to K.
Is that a bomb you bring here? Why you bring a bomb here? You cannot